Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Brighten and Glow Elevated Essentials Travel Set. Brightening ritual to go with our Elevated Essentials Brighten and Glow Travel Set, featuring 4 of our best-selling brightness boosting essentials, perfectly petite and sized down to travel with you whatever the occasion. Powered by AHA's niacinamide and alpha-arbutin, this kit targets hyperpigmentation, dullness, dehydration, and dark spots for a brighter, smoother, more even complexion. The products in this set are formulated to work synergistically together, boosting each other's brightening powers. Kickstart your daily ritual with Hydra Bright AHA Cleanser for a smoothing, revitalizing cleanse. Then add in Hydra Bright Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant Treatment Booster 2 to 3 nights a week to amplify your glow. Boost your brightening with Hydra Bright Alpha-Arbutin Drops. Then finish with Hydra Bright AHA Hydrator for complexion comfort and instantly lit from within luminosity. This is one of my favorite kits to see an instant brightening result and evening out the complexion. It's the perfect kit for giving the gift of glowing skin on the go.